Bini. Kanina later, mukhaon sa amin kay Kuku.
Yes. Good morning, guys! Today we're so excited. Where are we going?
We're going to the Barrio Fiesta in London.
Wow! So it's my almost 10 years here, but this is the first time
Me
that I'm
too.
doing. So we're so excited. See you later!
Sarah's finishing her makeup. Okay, wala na ako siya English na. Hindi na ako saya. Wala ako siya natiwas kinagaling-galing.
Surbiton. So we're waiting for our train to Hampton Court. Lara is doing a video. So this is the view of Surbiton. Look, it's so quiet.
Mag-videographer na lang day ko eh.
It's so quiet. It's Sunday. We're here inside the train for Hampton Court, our last destination. No, it's not our last destination, di ay. Because we're tuwad ko. Because after Hampton Court, we're gonna ride the shuttle bus now. But this is, I don't like this. I don't like this train. It's just mag-standing me, may garaming nasa terrace. Maraming nasa terrace na dagan kayo. Yung mga tao, dagan kayo mga tao. Ako yan na. Hampton Court. This is not a proper. Is this where we're gonna go down? Okay, we thought we were gonna go into the river. Because we were gonna be collected by a shuttle to the Barrio Fiesta, and we were looking at the river, so we thought it was gonna be a boat. So I think they're gonna go to the Barrio Fiesta as well. Kani mga puti. Ay, Lera, bakit ganito ang kanilang train station dito, Day? Bakit parang Day, kahit dyan yung Tagalog. Binagyo. Parang si Kim Cho ang aking Tagalog. Yay! Nandito na si Aldrich! Kitang bus. So, we're going to that bus. Ay, may ganit yun. Lingkod kami. Ay, oh. So, time na to. First time na to tayo.
Nakari daw siya.
Second time ni mo. Oo. So, second time ni Aldrich, kami ni Lera is first time.
Bisaya naman ka.
English.
Gutom ko.
Yes, I brought the pistachios. La, favorite din na ni Mami. Pasaya si Mami. The pistachios I brought because I knew na may kukup kami. Yeah. Okay, so mainit. Continue, Sal. Are you excited?
Ay, uwi ka, t-shirt night.
Yes, Aldrich is from night shift, so he's sleepy at the moment. Energy conservation mode. Lera, ikwento mo kanina dahil kami kamuntik na tayong nabiyan na ako na nalapas. Kasi naiwan. Ay, hindi ka naiwan, may ka na nalapas. Because nalapas tayo, ano nangyari? Nalampas. Hindi ka marunong ang Tagalog. Mga bisaya kasi kami. Mga bisaya nakalungso.
Mahihirapan sa kalisunan.
pass in the end. So, okay, we're so excited. Lapit na. No bashing. No bashing. Just for fun, of course. So, ang amuang sakyanan, kaya nagsiki ka na, ana. Maraming nagsakay Ceres. I forgot na we're already in the top floor pala, no? Second floor pa din. So, maraming ka nagsakay Galasa. Maraming nagsakay Ceres nga, wala yung shock absorber.
Kami sa likod.
Bakit namin maabot? Labot ni sa Luyo ng Margalod yung sa aeroplano ba? Is that the Maria Fiesta? Oh my God, that's the Maria Fiesta. Excited na sila. Excited na with me. Papa P. We're here na in the open field. May lagi nagdako ka. I didn't bring sunblock but I wore sunblock in my face. Aldrich, are you excited?
Duka na kayo.
Duka na kay ka, no? Sige.
Kita niyo Martin.
Mga baligyan ng mga Pilipino.
Ang layo pala ng lalakarin. Biglang nag-init. Sige. Selfie, Aldrich.
Hindi. 1, 2.
Okay. Mahiwaling salamin.
Asa ganyan ang Santo Rosario Drink?
Tickets sold here. Tapos doon kami. Diretso na kami kasi may ticket na kami kasi. And then may wow. Maraming tao. Okay, so there was like a little bit of area of the ticket, but we already have our tickets na, no, not the ticket, the wristband. Okay. So, let's okay na. Sige, we're going to the toilets muna. Yeah. Good thing Kuya Ron was there. Hala, may masaya. Cute. May iro, oh. May iro. Finish naming nag-toilet. In fairness sa kanilang toilet, ha?
Ready na later. Mukhaon sa amin kay Kutu.
Yes. Anak tao. Kasadya sa SRP. Na po dito, oh.
Drink, pwede na ka mag-poker. Drink po niya.
Diha, oh. Sila, matulog si Aldrich diha. Like, nalimta na ni may mga ayan.
Nauwi, agwat po ng friend.
Lain sa check dito, rakano, di ka magkuhan, di ka magpasok-pasok. Oh, look at that. Look at that, Day. Okay. We're here now at the Mario Fiesta na dito. We're here now. Ingit tayo. Jim! Oh, nakita siya kaila. Nakita siya kaila. Halin mo. Very nice, oh. Nabahay ko po. Very nice ang bahay ko. Tao sa bahay ko.
Have you been there? It's been a while.
Oh, diba? Ano naman yung cake?
We go this one.
What's the Martin?
Come down.
Pero kailangan namin bumili ng pagkain. Saan kami bibili ng pagkain? Wala. Kaya sila yung naiwan natin.
Since magbalik, why ko nga?
Smile sa... babay ni Roxanne. Ala, against the light, drinks. Di kam kita. Against the light. Vera, nagchismis pa dito, oh. Set up na kami. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog! Welcome to Mario Fiesta.
Wow!
Anong pangalan ng vlog mo?
Wala lang. Adventures with Disney.
Adventure. Sige, follow ko yan.
Hi, thank you. Guys, nagsisimula na. Pero walang flash. Ang sarap matawad, pinagumbay. Ang bituin at araw niyang ay nang dahil sa'yo. Jollibee is in Barrio Fiesta. Yes.
Jollibees.
Buchanan. Buchanan, Jollibee.
Lechon!
Ay, wow! Lechon, nabalik na. Pero si Aldrick, hindi pa nabalik. Si Aldrick, ano na nangyari kay Aldrick? Pang-vlog. Barbecue. Kaya ka na siya. Siya na.
In the Philippines, he and Vice President. Hey,
We're waiting for the artistas.
para sa pangarap. Di nag-alala naman, hindi matatanggap.
Star Fiesta! And since we're celebrating everything Pinoy today, hindi mawawala ang sayaw sa sariling atin.
Ang init. Grabe ang init. We're still waiting for the artistas. Oh, there's a singer. We've been waiting since 12. What time is it, Riggs? Maybe it's 3 o'clock now. Tapos yung meet and greet namin is 7:30 p.m. pa. So, oh my gosh. Buti na lang yung weather hindi masyadong mainit. Jesus!
Sa oras.
Oh, may background may background. Wala, matagal pa mga artista. What time na? No, 3 o'clock na. Oh my God. 3 o'clock na. So, 7:30 pa mamaya ang meet and greet namin. Ay, mamaya, Drix, after ng mga artista. Meron kasing after ng artista, mag-wait tayo ng meet and greet. Mag-ride tayo sa katong Ferris wheel, ha? Sige, sige. Ay, ang tagal. Kain na lang ng happy si Aldrick. Ang tagal dumating ni Martin Rivera. Yung iba nakahiga na din.
lalaki ang artista! Ima, Queen of Hearts! Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Bella Padilla! Welcome. And the only concept king, Martin Rivera!
Aldric, nandito na talaga si Martin.
Martin.
Guys, Aldric ko. Lipay kasi yan. Ikanta na gyud ang iyahan ko. Ikanta na gyud ang iyahan.
Absorbia ko na.
Morning. Anhe ni Aldric. Muni reason na paggaw siya to. Nag-emote na si Aldric.
kami dyan. And thank you so much.
Ayun, punta tayo. No, pero, marami pang performances na inihanda sa atin si Belle para sa ating lahat. So once again, we give you Belle Mariano! Are you guys watching Camila
Baby Tara! Say hi to my mom! Wala na to sa mukha na talaga. Wala na video pala yan sa hello guys! Hi to the vlog! Hi man! Kitty bye! Okay, here's the queue. Ang daming queue, drinks, ang daming ang taas ng queue. We're waiting for our photo op. Meet and greet. Yay! Yay! Malapit na kami.
Thank you. Greet mo Martin. Martin, ano mo po?
Nibabay si Martin sa vlog.
Nakot.
Yeah.
Live ako Martin.
Nibabay siya sa vlog. Okay. Okay. Kay Aldric, ano masasabi mo sa meet and greet?
Worth it, ra.
Dili worth it. Ay, nako. Really worth it ang 32 pounds, pero I'm still happy. Bitter. It was still a good experience.
Day, wala ka gitugnaw, Day?
Tugnaw gamay.
Oh, gamitan niyo.
Sige lang. Okay, but it was still a good experience. I was able to hold Papa P.
Siya, baling silang tulo naglingkod.
Yes.
Ayun, namirma sila.
Oh my God. Nasaan sila daw? Naiwan. Sumakit ang tiyan. Oh, we're going to the bus. Oh my God, the bus. Yan. Oh my God. Sana nagpa-annual leave na lang ako bukas. Pagod na ako. Tapos magta-travel pa kami papuntang Guildford. Ano ba yan? Okay, sige lang. Okay lang. We're going in na to the bus.
Tama na, punta ka ako.
Okay, sa taas tayo din. Taas tayo. Albert dyan. Hi! Punta na kami sa bus. Ang sakit na lingkod namin. Oh my God, 6 hours kami naka-Indian squad. Okay, at least ano na, ingay-ingay na. Saan tayo pupunta dahil? Okay. Tapos pupunta kami ng Clapham Junction and then Guildford na. Okay, sige. Upscourt Farm. Bye-bye.
Last Bay Fiesta. So, wala makunin
Si Martin Yapon, last time guest na.
pero wala makakunitan na ito. Pinuli nyo mo.
Bye, Rick. See you. See you. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, platform 3 daw, Jai. My gali day, kinaka-friend ka. Platform 1, this is platform. I said platform. Okay, we're gonna... Are we gonna cross the... Okay, we're just gonna... Oo. We're poor for the patient, outpatient. So, we just went back. So we just went back to where we started earlier because we were gonna go to the Clapham Junction, but we're not sure, and we left Aldrich. We left Aldrich because he's gonna go London.
20 minutes pa daw, then another 40, so like yun na daw.
Yeah, we're just gonna, I think it's safer to go where we originally went. Okay. So tired na.
Okay ko itong mga Pinoy.
Yes.
Englishan.
Yes.
RTI.
Platform 3. We were platform 3 ganina. Oh, mana na? 3? How do we know is platform 3? 4. This is 4. Okay.
There are 22 train to Alton. Kani.
Sige, maghintay muna tayo dito dahil. Ay, nako. Okay. So, maghihintay muna tayo dahil. Hintay muna tayo dito for our next train to Guildford. And we're just gonna ride Uber. Can you say about your first Barrio Fiesta?
Wapo pa si Papa.
Aba.
Niya, kanang, wala, lingaw lang siya kay, kanang, nami ang mga food.
Aba.
What's among pagkaon? May ganina, ami, Aldrich, kay wala pa, nga.
Yeah.